Hey guys, in this video we are going to talk about programming in details. What is programming? A programming is a way to give instruction to the computer. There are a lot of definitions of programming. We will talk about only two standard and popular definitions. So here we have the process of designing and building an executable computer program to do a specific task. That is programming. Or in other simple words, any instruction that tells the computer to do something is called programming. And these instructions are known as code. Now you have a question, what is the difference between program and code? There is no difference between programming or coding. In reality, they are same. So here we have a clear picture so that you can understand clearly. Here we give input to the computer. We will give input in the form of that language computer can understand, and in turn computer will give us output. So now you have a question, what does this mean? A computer itself is not smart. Now maybe you think about computer is very smart because it gives us calculation of millions or billions in seconds, but human cannot do work fast as computer. Yes, you are right, but computers are powerful and carry out tasks much faster as compared to human, but computer needs a someone who write instructions, and for writing instructions or code computer needs a human tell them what to do. So like this, now we have process of writing those instructions. Even you can say here we have code. We use programming languages. We have different kind of programming languages. Upcoming segment we will talk about programming languages, and these instructions are translated to a format which a computer can understand, and computer can understand only 0 1 binary language, you can say, and these instructions are then carried out by the computer. So now let's talk about computer programming process. How does a programming work? So there are main 5 pillars. How does a programming language work? First of all, we need to have defined the problem, means what kind of problem we have. After that, we need to have plan the solution, and after that we have to code the program. For example, we have a problem and we want to multiply. So we have a problem multiply, and we need to do code, and after that we need to do test, because test is very important after writing program or code. It tell us maybe there we will have, maybe in our program have a bug means any error in the program, that is called bug, and after that we need to document that program. So now, why programming? The question is that why you should learn programming. There are several reasons to learn programming, but we will talk about very good reasons to learn programming. So here we have good reasons for learning programming. Programming helps you to understand how does a computer work. You will gain more knowledge about computers, and programming jobs are high in demand all over the world. And fourth one I want to add, programming is total problem solving skills, and if you will learn programming, it can increase your problem solving skills not only in computer and also in your daily life, like this. So now we have several different languages, programming languages. Here we have very popular programming languages like JavaScript, C++, C#, Java, and Python. So we will now, let's talk about how does a simple program write in different languages. So here we have very simple and basic hello world program in different languages. In JavaScript, if we want to print hello world, we need to write console.log hello world, and in Python we need to write hello world, and in C# console.writeline hello world. So guys, like this is work. Hope it will be helpful, and thanks for watching. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, And in the comment section give me your suggestion about video. I would love to hear.